The Codex Gigas, also known as the Giant Book in Czech, Obziniha, stands as the largest surviving medieval illuminated manuscript globally, boasting an impressive length. Such sizable illuminated Bibles were a common sight in Romanesque monastic book production. Yet even within this tradition, the page dimensions of the Codex Gigas are exceptional. This manuscript has earned the intriguing moniker of the Devil's Bible, primarily owing to its extraordinarily detailed full-page portrait of Satan, coupled with the captivating legend that surrounds its creation. Crafted in the early 13th century, the Codex Gigas originated within the Benedictine monastery of Podlages in Bohemia, which corresponds to the present-day Czech Republic. Within its pages, this manuscript holds the entirety of the Vulgate Bible, alongside various other esteemed works, all penned in Latin. Nestled amidst the Old and New Testaments lie a selection of notable medieval reference materials: Josephus's Antiquities of the Jews and De Bello Judaico, Isidore of Seville's comprehensive encyclopedia Etymologiae, the chronicle penned by Cosmas of Prague, Chronica Bemorum, and a collection of medical treatises including an early iteration of the Ars Medicinae compilation, and two works authored by Constantine the African. After passing through several hands, the Codex Gigas eventually found itself housed within the Imperial Library of Rudolf II in Prague. However, fate took a twist during the tumultuous 30 Years' War when the entirety of Rudolf II's collection, including the Codex Gigas, fell into Swedish possession as spoils of war in 1648. Today, this illustrious manuscript is meticulously preserved at the National Library of Sweden in Stockholm, where it remains a captivating exhibit accessible to the general public, offering a glimpse into the rich history and artistic brilliance of medieval manuscript production. The Codex Gigas boasts an impressive book binding featuring wooden boards enveloped in leather, adorned with intricate metal guards and fittings. Weighing a substantial 74.8 kilo, 165 lb, the Codex Gigas comprises 310 leaves meticulously crafted from vellum purportedly derived from the skins of 160 donkeys, or potentially calf skin, covering a remarkable expanse of 142.6 made course, 1,535 SQFT in total. The manuscript's visual allure is further enhanced by vibrant illuminations in red, blue, yellow, green, and gold hues. Elaborately illuminated capital letters grace the beginnings of books within the Bible and the Chronicle, often dominating entire pages. A remarkable 57 such illuminations have survived. Notably, the commencement of the Book of Genesis is regrettably absent from the manuscript. Additionally, 20 initials, featuring blue letters adorned with vine decorations in red, add to its visual richness. Intriguingly, the Codex Gigas also contains two striking images depicting heaven and earth during the creation, portrayed as blue and green circles, housing celestial bodies like the sun, moon, stars, and a planet amidst an expanse of sea without land masses. Within the text, major capitals are magnificently enlarged, spanning about 5 to 6 lines of text in red ink, and strategically placed in the margins for emphasis. Less prominent divisions, such as verse beginnings, are subtly enlarged within the text and highlighted with yellowish ink around the letter forms, enhancing readability and aesthetic appeal. Remarkably, despite its age, the Codex Gigas maintains a uniform appearance, devoid of any signs of deterioration such as aging, disease, or mold. This pristine condition has sparked speculation and legends surrounding its creation, including the enduring myth that the entire manuscript was penned by a single scribe in a single night with the assistance of the devil himself. However, recent scientific investigations suggest that the creation of the Codex Gigas likely spanned over 2 decades, challenging the notion of its miraculous overnight completion. An intriguing aspect of the Codex Gigas is its original composition of 320 sheets. Although 12 of these have since been removed, leaving behind a tantalizing mystery regarding their removal and the motive behind it. The circumstances surrounding the missing pages remain unknown, adding to the mystique and allure of this extraordinary manuscript. The illustration of the devil within the Codex Gigas, found on folio 290 recto, is a captivating and iconic depiction that has intrigued scholars and viewers alike, directly juxtaposed with a full-page depiction of the kingdom of heaven, creating a stark contrast between good and evil. In this illustration, the devil is portrayed frontally, adopting a dynamic posture with uplifted arms, symbolizing his defiance and power. He is depicted wearing a white loincloth adorned with small, comma-shaped red dashes, often interpreted as ermine fur tails, a traditional symbol of sovereignty. Notably, the devil lacks a tail, and his body, arms, and legs are depicted with normal human proportions. However, his hands and feet feature only 4 fingers and toes each, terminating in formidable claws, emphasizing his otherworldly and menacing presence. Both his claws and large horns are rendered in striking red, further accentuating his demonic nature. The devil's head is notably large and dark green, with his hair forming a dense skull cap of curls. His eyes are small with red pupils, while his ears, also red-tipped, are depicted as large and prominent. A particularly intriguing detail is the depiction of the devil with 2 long red tongues protruding from the corners of his mouth. It's worth noting that several pages preceding this double spread are written in yellow characters on blackened parchment, creating a somber and gloomy atmosphere that contrasts with the rest of the Codex Gigas. The discoloration of these vellum pages is attributed to centuries of exposure to light as readers turned the pages towards the infamous illustration of the devil, adding an eerie aura to the surrounding text. Overall, the illustration of the devil within the Codex Gigas is a masterful and evocative depiction, capturing the essence of medieval perceptions of evil and the supernatural, while also contributing to the manuscript's enduring mystique and fascination. The Codex Gigas is a treasure trove of diverse content, offering a rich tapestry of religious, historical, and scholarly works. Following the Latin Bible, the Codex Gigas transitions into the works of Josephus, continuing the historical narrative of the Jews. Next in line is Isidore's Etymologiae, folios 201-239, a comprehensive encyclopedia that covers a wide array of topics ranging from language and etymology to various aspects of knowledge in the medieval era. This section showcases the manuscript's scholarly breadth and commitment to preserving diverse forms of knowledge.